Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the little royal purple splash whale in Heartopia. This is day 11, I believe. So, right next to this kind of like rock cave, you'll find it on this like bluish purple anemone coral, not anemone, sorry. And you'll find it here. It is around the Whalefall Canyon. So, here's where it is on the map. Take a picture and remember that you have to have the like royal purple splash whale detected, or else it's not going to be detected as the picture, and you won't see the bubble if it doesn't get detected like this. Oh my gosh, my ping, bro. All right, don't forget to give it a little boop as per usual. All right. And then for the bubble itself, we are going to swim this way, I believe, like to this one. Or was it the other one? It was like on top of something. Yeah, it's here. It's this one over here. Oh my gosh, I need to clean the ocean. And we have the furniture. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.